how to add effects on iMovie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add effects in iMovie to make your videos pop. Let's get started. First, remember that iMovie is not available on Android device, so on your iPhone, iPad or MacBook, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now open the project that you want to add effects to. Click on this edit option, or you can also create a new one, then click on movie. After that, drag and drop your video clip into the timeline where you want to add effects. Click on the clip, then go to filters, which is on the bottom right corner. Here you can see different options. Simply choose the one that you like. You can also add transitions between clips or click the speedometer icon to speed up or slow down your video for cool time lapse or slow-mo effect. And that's it. This is how you add effects in iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.